Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so as you all have already seen the title, today's video is going to be all about behind the scenes of my YouTube videos. When you watch my videos, you might just feel like, these might be my regular vlogs or I'm just talking about something, but actually there's a lot of work that goes behind every YouTube video that you guys see. So I thought, why not take you guys through my behind the scenes and how I plan for my videos and how I film my videos and all of those. So I woke up sometime back, I had my breakfast, I also had my shower, and I'm here at the studio. And by the way, if you guys haven't watched my studio tour already, like my temporary studio tour, I link it right here, so go and check out my studio tour. And also I would be penning down what are the things that I need to film, because today's day is going to be entirely about my filming videos, and also I'll edit a couple of I'll probably edit a couple of videos, at least not completely, but I'll try my best to edit few of the videos. So now how I plan what I want to film is I go through all your comments, and you guys are the best ones to suggest me which video you guys want to see and what are the ones that you guys are actually wanting to watch and all of those. So let me quickly go through the comments that you guys have sent. Alright, so there are a bunch of you all asking me for my vanity tour, which is gonna come up very soon, but obviously my vanity is at my home and right now I'm here. So once I go back to my home, I would film that for you guys. And also there are many people asking me for my finger rings. So basically, if you see my hands, I don't wear finger rings, I hardly wear nail paints, but of course I hoard a lot of nail colors, I hoard a lot of artificial nails, and when it comes to finger rings, I only wear the gold ones, that too occasionally but not on a regular basis. I of course have the artificial ones, but I'm not someone who would wear it on a regular basis. Only when I'm dressing up for a show or for an event is when I will wear those finger rings. But still, let me quickly pen down. And there are many people asking me for eye makeup tutorials. Surely guys. And then I've seen most of you all enjoying never have I ever videos. And also there are many asking me for cook with tabassum. Surely tabassum, if you're watching this, start getting up. We need to cook, we need to film a cookery video very soon. And then driving tips for women. I think I'll film this, but I will actually film a story time kind of a video on that. And also there are festive dresses haul, and also apart from the suggestions that you guys have sent, I have planned a few videos for you guys because there's Halloween coming up. I will film Halloween makeup very soon. And also I want to film my unpacking haul video, because I have seen you guys enjoying my haul videos a lot. So I have like bunch of couriers lying here, so I got all my couriers here so that I can film the unpacking video, which I might film today. And after I write up what are the videos that I need to film, the next thing that I do is I plan which one to prioritize when. So now I will start filming the unpacking video, and then go to the festive dresses haul, because here I can film the haul videos very comfortably. So I will prioritize this one as well. So now that I've penned down all of these, I will next start planning how I want to film this unboxing video and where I want to keep my setup and all of those. And also while doing that, I also decide what is the outfit that I would be wearing, and then I start getting dressed up and do all of those. So yeah, let me quickly take you guys. So I have very few outfits that I got here. A few are still in the bag and few I've hung up. So I'll show you guys how I've kept all those. It is definitely very messy, but I want to be as raw as possible. So I'm showing you guys the outfits and how I've kept them. So I will show you guys my outfit and change into the outfit, And yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I have few of the outfits that I have hung them right here, and there are few which are just dumped. So for my first video, that is the unboxing video, I would probably wearing this one, the floral top right there. So yeah, let me get that top, quickly iron it and get ready. Alright guys, so now that I am done changing my outfit, the next thing that I'm gonna do is get ready. So as you can see, I haven't done my makeup yet. So I'll quickly do my makeup and get ready for the video. So now that I'm all ready with my makeup, I also want to talk to you guys that I use the highlighter a lot because my skin or my facial skin must look hydrated. So that is one of the major keys that you need to follow to make your skin look hydrated. So I have used the PAX highlighter. You must have seen me using this in almost all my makeup videos. So this is just, you know, to give that illusion of making your skin look hydrated. And for my body, I have this body lotion by Mamaearth. It is their rose body lotion, and this is supremely hydrated, guys. This is for deep hydration, and this is how the moisturizer looks. And trust me guys, it smells so divine. And if you can see, the skin is already looking extremely hydrated. So now that the monsoons are here and the winter and all of those, our skin gets very dry. My skin gets very dry and my skin craves for hydration. Like how sometimes, you know, we all of a sudden feel like we crave for ice cream, we crave for pizza, we crave for burgers, we crave for biryani. Right now my skin is craving for hydration, and this is the best that I could give my skin. As you can see, can you see the glow that my skin has picked up instantly? Wait, let it quickly focus. So yeah, can you see the glow, the hydration that my skin has picked up in no time? I mean, my skin looks supremely hydrated. The camera is not doing the justice, but it is not sticky guys, and it is not tacky at all, and very hydrated. And as I told you guys, this has rose water and milk. Smells very good guys. I mean, you don't even need a perfume or a body mist after you use this body lotion. It is that awesome with this fragrance. Smells of rose, which is so nice, and this is very good for hydration, as I told you guys already. So now it is mineral oil free, silicone free, and dermatologically tested, and it is very good for oily skin and gives that required hydration for your skin. Now let me tell you guys that Mamaearth is goodness inside because it is made out of all natural ingredients. To say Mamaearth is not just goodness inside but also goodness in its value, because there's no animal cruelty. It is now certified by PETA for being cruelty free, and also Mamaearth recycles way more plastic than it uses. And you guys know that Mamaearth is an Indian brand, and I want to get vocal for local. So yeah, that's about this body lotion, which is supremely hydrating. But apart from this, Mamaearth has also come up with 3 more different variants. Let me quickly show them to you guys. Now I called all these body lotions so that I can host the giveaway to you guys. So the other 3 body lotions are, the first one is the Cocoa body lotion. You guys know there are different varieties in the Cocoa range: Cocoa body butter, scrub, face wash, and all of those. And now they have come up with the Cocoa body lotion, which is for intense moisturization. So if your skin is supremely dry during this season, then your skin would crave for intense moisturization, and this so it'd be very good for you. And then we have my most favorite range, that is the vitamin C range by Mamaearth. So now they have their vitamin C body lotion, which is made up of vitamin C and honey, and it is very good for radiant skin. And then of course we have their most popular Upton range. So now they have their Upton body lotion, which is made up of turmeric and cocoa butter, and this is very good for glowing skin. Now you can find all Mamaearth products on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on their website, which is mamaearth.in. And guys, use my coupon code, which is Sameera2020, to avail 20% discount on their website. So now all you got to do to participate in this giveaway is, first of all, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And once you're done doing that, the next thing that you got to do is comment down in the comment section and let me know what your skin is craving for. If it is the vitamin C, or if it is the Upton, or it is the rose, the extreme hydration or extreme moisturization, which one is your skin craving for? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and then I will pick the top 3 and give away these awesome moisturizers, which are extremely hydrating, moisturizing, and also smells awesome. So yeah, that's about the body lotions that I have. Now that I'm all ready for my videos, the next thing that I do is get all my couriers and set up the place where I want to film. So now, before I start filming, I think I should give you guys a quick look of how exactly the studio room is looking right now, and all the equipments and all of those, and the actual messy thing that we have here in the room. So yeah, let's start and have a look. So this is the place that I was filming. I have my ring light right here. I had my camera fixed to the light, and here I have a mattress, like a flooring bed. Then there's a decor. Then I have this is basically the garden table and chair, which I got from my mom's place. And then here's my toucher bag. You can see all random things lying everywhere, and the wardrobe is like open. Then there's a light stand, and all completely messed up. So first I will quickly clean this space, and or maybe I'll sit here and film the video. I'll have all my couriers kept here and do the unboxing, and yeah, see you guys in some time. Alright guys, so the next thing that I did was getting all those couriers, and I kept them on the bed. I know guys, I shouldn't be placing the couriers on the bed. There are many people who are commenting me and asking me not to place the couriers on the bed, but let me tell you guys that all these couriers have been isolated and they are all sanitized, and that is how they are on bed. And I don't use this bed to sleep. I just have it so I can chill. But of course I know that, you know, I place my couriers on my bed at my home, but I do that after they are isolated and also sanitized. So I have like a bunch of couriers lying here. There are so many couriers, and also there are many more in the wardrobe. So there are a few that I picked, and there are a few from the Instagram stores. There are a few which are the PR couriers. So yeah, also these are the pants that I was talking about. So these ones I ordered from Myntra, and these are the ones which are just like the ones which I bought from Bangalore, the commercial street. These are the Spikers Elisa, if I'm not wrong, range. So these are the ones, and I picked different bunch of different colors. I have picked black, and there are other more. So I have those pants, like I've already worn one black yesterday. I have another black here, and also the one that I'm wearing now. And then this is my PR, and I called for a backpack. I think I will actually film a video than telling everything here, because this is for a dedicated haul video, because I know that you guys really enjoy watching the unboxing and the haul and all of those. So I thought I should just have all my couriers kept aside and film a haul video for you guys, or film the unpacking video for you guys. So yeah, that's about this video, and after this I would be changing and filming the other one, which I would take you guys through the day, because there's a lot more that I have to do in this day. So yeah, I'll quickly finish filming this video and see you guys in some time. Okay, there's so much that goes in filming a video. Matlab, you have to set up how exactly it is looking. I know it is looking a little messy, but hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I hope you guys had fun. Aridra, Ira, come here, say hi to my YouTube family. Ira wants to come. Yes, आओ जल्दी आओ, हाय बोल के जाओ, जल्दी आओ लेके आओ, सही में लेके आओ.
नहीं डालते ना वीडियो.
अरे नहीं डाल तुझे इधर आओ तुम्हें. सीमा, you don't believe me. वो हुडी पिना को लाओ.
तो नहीं है ना.
Come fast, Ira. Come fast. Come fast. Come fast, Ira. So here's Ira, you guys. So everybody has been asking me to show Ira. So here's our cute little Ira. Ira, say hi. Hi. So Ira is here to disturb me and my work. Ira, say bye. Hoodie pehno. Say bye. Okay. Okay. Bye. Ira cheating, no do. Okay. Ira is saying bye to you guys. Okay, so Ira is saying bye. Ira is saying bye to you guys. Ta-da! That's the mess that I've created. Alright guys, so after filming that video, I went home, I had my lunch and I came back. I tried to finish some edit, which obviously I did not film because my entire setup was here and I forgot to take the camera there. And yeah, after that, now I'm back to this room and I need to clear this mess and mess everywhere that's there in my room. So I'll have to clear all that and set my room like how you guys saw it in the studio tour video. So I would be doing that now and then start filming the next video that I've planned for. So yeah, because there's so much work, I don't think I'll be able to vlog all that and show you guys. But yeah, I think you guys understood how much work actually goes behind filming a YouTube video, because it's not just about recording, talking in front of the camera, but there's a lot that goes before and after filming a video. Like you have to plan, then you have to first think what video you want to do and then plan how you want to do, and then start thinking about what are the things that you would be talking and what are the products you would be showing or something like that. And after that you need to put it, you need to export all of that and start editing that video. And once you're done editing all of that, you'll have to upload and also create your own thumbnail and title, description and all of that, which is a very, very big job. But yes, nothing is impossible. If you love doing things, it is definitely possible. Do let me know if you guys are interested in a total detailed video about how I create my thumbnails and how I think of the titles, because I'm not, I never try to do a clickbait or anything like that. But yes, I of course try to create some interesting contents for you guys so that, you know, it keeps you guys engaged and also intact with the channel, because at the end of the day we are a big family, the family Sameera Sharif. Yes, so I will quickly end this vlog right here and get back to work cleaning this room and also start filming the other videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.